All right, we got 2018 Gold Rush Baseball Jersey, one box break number 13. We got Noe with the Diamondbacks, Brewers, Rockies, Mets, Rays, Pirates, Padres, and Rangers. Aaron with the Braves. Eric with the Orioles, Dodgers, and Yankees. William with the Red Sox and Nationals. Brent with the Cubs. Matthew with the White Sox, Indians, Blue Jays, and Phillies. Roger with the Reds. Michael with the Tigers. Ben with the Twins and Marlins. Caleb with the Cardinals. Chris with the Mariners. Randy with the Giants. James with the A's. Richard with the Royals. And Scott with the Astros. All right, those are the teams. Good luck, guys. This is our last one of these baseball jerseys. Let's see what we got. Yankees, Aaron Boone. Aaron Boone for the Yankees. Know who had the Yankees tonight? Eric O on the Yankees. Congrats, Eric, man. I appreciate all you guys filling up the spots. Eric takes this one down. Aaron Boone for the Yankees. Congrats, Eric, man. I'll get that in the mail to you. I'll get it out tomorrow. All right, guys, I appreciate it. I will see you guys for more breaks tomorrow.